Hey guys, so you can see that this is my WordPress site. Okay, so this free course will teach you how you can build AI tools on your WordPress website. So here you can see that I generated plenty of tools, AI tools. You can just go to, let's say, bullet point generator, and you can just put your job title. Maybe you can say digital marketing expert. Okay, and you can just enter the skills. You have SEO skills, HSM skills, and let's say paid advertising skill, and it will just going to generate the resume in the form of bullet points. So just generate it. Awesome. You can say you can just copy this and you can use it. Okay, so it's very simple to generate these AI tools. Okay, on your WordPress. I will teach you without any coding. We will going to use the power of ChatGPT. You can see it has generated as the resume bullet point. Okay, so we will teach you the concept of how you can generate the code. Okay, with ChatGPT, how the process will going to work. Okay, each and everything we will going to taught you, okay, inside this free course. And another thing is that we will of course going to use the OpenAI API key, and using this OpenAI API key we will be able to generate that response. So how everything works, each and everything will be taught to you inside this free course. Okay, you can just click here. You can just go to business name generator, and maybe you want maybe let's say you are a saloon person. Okay, saloon. If you have a saloon shop, and you just uh, okay, or just write it saloon, and let's say it will just going to generate a business name for you. For example, just click on generate business name. You can see that generate the business name. Similarly, you can, let's say, just go to tagline, and you can just use anything, maybe let's say SEO, anything like that. Just click on generate the tagline, and it will just going to generate a tagline for your business, maybe, okay, related to the keyword. So similarly, you can create as many as AI tool without any coding. Okay, it's very simple and easy inside your WordPress website. The same thing, the same configuration. If you already have a website, existing WordPress website, so inside that website also you can just do this or add this AI tool, okay, on your existing website as well. Even if you don't have any WordPress websites, inside this course we will teach you from scratch how to set up the WordPress and how to build AI tools. Everything has been covered step by step. So if you are interested and want to get new skills, new knowledge, so make sure you watch this free course from starting to end. It will really going to help you out. Okay. Now guys, I will teach you how you can access the code, okay, which will going to help you to build unlimited AI tools. So what you can do is that you can just search for KuKu courses on your browser. Just search for this KuKu courses, okay, and you will see this kukucourses.com website. Just go to this website, okay, and after you just go ahead, you can just click on this library. Click on this library, okay, and after you will going to click on the library. Just wait for it to get load. Right now the website is little bit slow maybe, or my internet is low. And after that, scroll at very bottom, you will see access our free resources library. Click on this, and this will take you to our free resources library, okay, and then you will see this free resource build AI tools inside WordPress. If you don't see it, you can just press Ctrl and F for the Windows users. If you're a Mac user, on your keyboard you can just search for Command and F, and after that you can just search for this one, that is you can just write build AI tools, okay, then you will see this here, okay. So maybe when you will visit, the list will be very big, so you will face problem to search. So you can just search for that, and then you will see this one with the code 3D9EOW, type is code, click on view, it will take you to the code. Okay, so this code, let's wait for it to load. Okay, so this code we will going to use, okay, for this free course in coming time. Okay, so make sure that you can access this from here. Okay. Hey guys, so let's start this course. So first of all, I will going to teach you what is the domain name. So we will also going to set up the domain name as well, okay, using Namecheap. Now what is this and all we will going to explain you and also teach you how to set up. But let's first discuss what is domain name. So guys, domain name is basically the address of your website. So for example, like any place has some address, right? Like for example, I want to, let's say, visit to your house. So your house will also going to have address, right? So for example, if I just go here and let's say this is your house, right? And to visit your house, I need one address. Awesome, right? I need one address of your house. So when I will going to have address of your house, so I can just come straight to your house using your address. So similarly, to visit any website, you require domain name. Like if I want to visit to your home, I need your home address, right? So similarly, to visit any website, you need domain address. Now for example, if I want to visit KuKu courses website, so I will just type kukucourses.com, and when I will going to open it, I will go to the KuKu courses website. Awesome, simple and easy. Similarly, let's say if I want to visit Apple's website, so I will going to type apple.com, click on enter button, and you will go to the Apple's website. Simple and easy, right? So you can see, to access any website you require domain name. Like apple.com is domain name, kukucourses.com is domain name, right? So similarly, every website has domain name. So to visit any website, you require the domain address. You have to purchase one domain address, right? And there are many companies who will going to help you to purchase domain name. In our case, we will going to use Namecheap because it's very simple and easy to by the way, and it's very affordable too, right? So hope you guys have somehow understood the concept of domain name. So make sure that whenever you get your domain name, it should be related to, let's say, you can just keep the domain name of your personal name, or try to keep domain name short and simple. Okay, short and simple, and make sure that that domain name which you are purchasing, it should be related to the product or service you are purchasing. For example, in my case, I am purchasing one domain name that is related to courses. I will going to create one courses website. So I will going to purchase kukucourses.in or any such thing related to this. So my website is related to courses, so I have uh, chosen domain that has some courses related thing. Or maybe let's say you have some health related business, so let's say you can choose health king, maybe healthking.com. okay, healthking.com maybe, or healthking.io. so there are many things, but make sure you can create or buy domain name on your name. Maybe your name is, let's say, John Cena, so you can just buy domain name that is related to your name. Or some people buy the domain name according to their business, but make sure that domain name should be short and simple, right? So hope you guys have understood the concept of domain name. Now guys, I will going to teach you how you can set up the Namecheap account, or in a simple way, how you can buy domain name with Namecheap. Okay, so it's very simple and easy. You just need to open new tab on your browser, and just write this my dash link.in slash name chip. Okay, so make sure you just write this everything in small. I will also going to attach the link below, okay, in this video description and resources, so you can just simply click on that link. Okay, you will directly come to the website. Okay, so you just have to type this everything in small and click on the enter button, and you will go to the Namecheap's website according to your country. Okay, so just wait for the few seconds and you will be redirected to the Namecheap's website. You can see that we are now in the Namecheap's website. So basically, as I have told you that whenever you create a domain name, okay, so try to make it short. Okay, don't buy domain name which is very much complex like this, which no one will going to remember, right? It's very weird, right? So make sure you do not buy this type of domain. And the second thing is that make it short and simple. Okay, make it meaningful. Or you can also buy on your name as well. For example, my name is Kunal Lonhare, so I can buy one domain name on my name. Okay, or you can also purchase it for your business. So maybe whatever product and services you are uh, you know whatever product and services you are selling, so according to that you can go and take domain name. For example, if your business is, let's say, related to health, so I can say health related domain, let's say Health King. Click on the search button and let's see if we can get some domain related or not. Okay, so here you can see that we are getting lots of thing like healthking.app, healthking. Dev, healthking.io, health. Okay, there are lots of domain name related to this, right? So in my case I will go with KuKu courses. Okay, dot, let's say, in. Okay, see, kukucourses.com is taken. Okay, so I cannot do anything with that because you can see this is the website of kukucourses.com. It's already taken and you can see a complete live website here. So I will going to go with kukucourses.in and click on enter, and let's see if we can get the kukucourses.in domain name. Okay, so you can see it's available. So similarly you have to search for domains which are available, and the available domain you can buy. Okay, so you can see lot many domains, and in front of that domain name you will always going to see some price, right? So according to domain name which you can afford, according to your financial condition, you can take the domain name, right? So that's it. Make sure you just select and add to cart. When you will select your domain name, I will simply click on add to cart button, and then you will see the option called as checkout here, right? So just click on the checkout button, and you can also select for how many years you want to purchase. By the way, you can select the currency. Right now it's in US dollars, but in my case I will just purchase it for, let's say, 3 years. Awesome. So more longer period you will going to purchase your domain name for, so less affordable it will be. Okay, so for example, if I just take with 1 year, so you can say it will approx $8, right? So if you will double it, so it will be, you can see 15.9. Still it will be little bit affordable. If you see, if you will renew it 1 year, that is $7.98. okay, so if I just show you the concept, if you just go to calculator, so right now we are purchasing it for $7.98. so 7.98, and if you will just purchase it for 1 year, so it will cost you this much. And if you just purchase for next year, so again you have to pay this much amount, or let's say even high, let's say $8. So it will going to cost you approx 15.98 itself, right? But here it will also going to include tax as well. You also have to pay tax as well. But if you just go with the 2 years, so it will be 15.96. So you can say it will be affordable, okay, as compared to the one year you pay. So make sure the more longer you will choose, the better it will be. Okay, so I will go ahead with 15 for 3 years. This much is the amount. I will just go ahead and I will confirm the order. And if you have some other currency to choose, for example, I want to see it in Indian currency, so it will be approx this much. Awesome, right? So let me just see how much it will going to cost me for the 4 years. Okay, so in the 4 years this will be this much, but let's just go ahead with 3 years only. Okay, so I will simply go ahead and confirm order, but it's your case. If you want to go with 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, it's totally up to you. Awesome, right? Then just click on the confirm order button. Awesome. Now if you already have your account, so you can just log in, but if you are totally new, so you can just put all your details, okay, like username, password, just confirm password, set your first name, last name, put your correct email ID, which is very much important, and make sure you just choose or set your username. Okay, and then click on create account and continue button. Okay guys, you can see that I have set the username, I have set the password, I have again set my password, I have set my first name, last name, and I put my email address. You can just untick it if you want and just click on create account and continue button, right? So after you will going to do this, you can just simply save it if you want to, right? And then just set your all the details like your first name, last name, your address, cities, state, and all these details. Okay, here phone number. So fax number is not necessary, okay, but just put all these details here. Okay, so you can see I have set the first name, last name, and make sure you untick it if you want to. Okay, which is this option. You can just untick it, and rest just put all your details like phone number, email, and all. And after you will do this, just click on this continue, and then it will take you here. Okay, so make sure you can just select this as well, then just click on this continue button. So then my friends, you will see the payment method. You can just choose if you want to pay with the card payment. So you can say I put all the card details, my card number, card everything, right? You can put the card details. You can even choose PayPal and account funds as well. But after you just do it, just click on this continue button. After you will put all your payment details and then click on continue button. Okay, just after you do this, just click on this pay now button and make payment. Okay, so you can see that you have successfully purchased your domain name. Okay, and on your email you will see the notification that you have purchased it successfully. Okay, so whatever email you have used, on that email you will see this notification that you have purchased successfully. And now you can manage your domain from here, or if you want to see this option again, so again just go to that link my-link.in/namegym, and after you will come here on this website. So it will be already account created, or you can just log in, but in our case we have just now purchased, so you can see the account, and from here you will see this domain list option. So just click on that. So whatever domain name you have purchased, so that will be visible here. You can see in my case I've purchased this in front of you guys, so this is available here. Now if you want to manage it, so you can just simply click on this manage button to manage it. Maybe if you want to connect it, okay, so connect with your web hosting. Now what is that and all thing we will going to discuss later, but you can just simply click on this manage button. from here, and from this option of a name servers, you can just click on custom and paste the name servers of your web hosting from here. But let's not discuss that, but I have taught you till now how you can purchase and set up your domain name. Okay, and whatever domain name you will going to purchase, it will all going to pop up here. Okay guys, now we will going to talk about what is web hosting in a very simple way. Okay, so it's a very simple meaning. So basically web hostings are the storage space for your website, or storage space of your website. Okay, for example, whatever website you say, for example, if you just say kukucourses.com, so they have lots of text, they have some images. You can see this is the image. So all this text, images and everything is stored inside storage. Okay, and the storage is provided by web hosting. So there are many web hosting companies like Hostinger, and there are plenty more companies that provide you web hosting where you can store all the data of your website. Okay, so we will going to teach you how you can set up it, but let's first understand the web hosting concept. So I've already explained you. Similarly, if you just go to apples.com website, so you will see they will going to use lot many images on their website and all. So all these things, my friend, are stored inside web hosting, basically the storage where Apple is storing all this data, right? So idea is somehow that simple and easy, my friends. So hope you guys have understood the concept of what is web hosting. So web hosting means it's simply storage space for your website. Okay, and now we will going to teach you how you can set up that with Hostinger. Okay, so let's see how you can set up web hosting, my friends. Okay, so we will going to use Hostinger. So you can just simply open one new tab, and here you can just type Hostinger, Hostinger, hostinger.com/Bing commerce. Okay, so I have displayed the link in the screen. You can type that, everything in small, and make sure everything is small. Click on enter button, and I have also provided the link below in the video description or in the video resources. So after you will click that, so according to your country, Hostinger will take you to your country specific website. Okay, so for example, I am in website for example, I'm in India, so you can see it has taken me to the India's website. Or if you use the same link, that is hostinger.com/Bing commerce, or let's say you open this link from USA, so it will take you to the USA website. So that's why make sure just use this URL, it will take you exactly to your country's website. And also from here, you can see from here you can even select two different countries in United States as well. Okay, so if you will choose United States, so it will show you in the terms of dollars as well, right? So here you can see it will show you in the terms of dollars. But I'm from India, so I will going to choose India English version. And do not worry, the procedures will be same for all the countries. Okay, so from here, my friends, you can just go ahead and choose, let's say, hosting. You can choose, let's say, web hosting, right? So currently they are offering some discounts and all. We do not want that. So from here you can just choose the plan. So you can see more expensive plan you will going to take, more features you will going to get. So for example, single plan only offers you to build one website, and similarly premium plan offers you to build 100 website, and similarly this will keep on to go. And you can see single, you will not going to get free domain, but in multiple plans you will going to get free domain. So whatever, you can see the complete list of different features. You can just toggle here to learn what that means is. but right now we do not have to go with that, with this particular course. By the way, let's make it very simple and easy, right? So in our case, we will going to use this single plan. If you want to go with the bigger plan, you can of course choose it, totally up to you, and I recommend you guys to just go ahead. But many people are very much new. Okay, so let's go ahead with the single plan. So let's click on this add to cart button, and after you do this, my friends, you guys have to choose for how many duration you want. So you can see the longer duration you will going to save, more longer duration you will going to choose, so more amount you can save. So I will just go ahead with the 12 months, but I recommend you guys to go with at least 24 or 48 months. Okay, so that's it. So I will choose 12 months, and now it will tell me to log in. So if you already have account, so you can log in. So in my case, I will going to create my account here. So I will just going to write my email address here. Awesome, right? So this is my email address. You also have to put your email address correctly, and then my friends, you have to choose your password. Okay, so in my case, I will going to choose the password. So awesome, I have chosen the password. And after you do this, you can see according to your country you will going to get multiple options, but the main thing is that in the have a coupon code, you can use the coupon code, so you will going to get some extra discount. So you can see, if you will type this, that is Bing Commerce. Okay, just check the spelling. Okay, Bing Commerce, click on the apply button. So you will notice you will going to get extra discount here. Okay, so you can see, just put all your details like first name, last name, and every of the details, and then you guys are good to go. Okay, so you can see, my friends, I have chosen this, my first name, last name, and rest it's not compulsory, you can see optional. So phone number is not necessary to put, city is not necessary to put. Okay, all these details are not necessary to put. And after you do this, just select your payment option according to your country. So I will go with UPI in my case. Okay, and just click on submit secure payment. Okay, and you can see that after you will make payment, this is how the look will going to look like. Okay, and you can just click on escape. I don't want the personalized experience. And here you can see, if you already have a website, you can select this option if you want to create new website. But now let's click on escape, create an empty website. And if you have a domain, okay, if you have a free domain, so you will see the option claim a free domain option. So just select that and select your domain. But let's say we already have one domain name. So in my case, I will just go to my website where I have purchased the domain name. So in my case, I have purchased it from Namecheap. So I will just go to the domain list, and here I have just purchased this particular domain name, that is kukucourses.in. So I will simply use this domain name. Okay, so I will just click on manage button from here. Okay, so this is my domain name, so I will just simply copy this just for an example, and I will say use an existing domain. So I will select that. I will right click and paste my domain name, which I have purchased it from some other website. In my case, I have purchased it from Namecheap. You may even have purchased from GoDaddy. So idea is somehow that simple. So whatever domain name you have purchased from, let's say on Namecheap or maybe on GoDaddy, and if you want to connect with your web hosting company, in our case that is Hostinger, so simply just go to the Namecheap or a GoDaddy and paste the domain name you have purchased and click on the continue button, right? Awesome. Now my friends, what you need to do is very simple. See, if you will just see here, we have basically domain name and web hosting. So now web hosting is giving you two name servers, name server 1 and name server 2, which you can see here. You can see required name server 1 name server 2. Simple and easy, right? So what we need to do is that we need to paste this name server to the domain name so that we can connect our domain name with web hosting. Okay, so it's very simple. So now just go to your domain provider. In our case, that is Namegym. Okay, so here we have our domain. So here you will see this name server option. From here, select to custom DNS. So here you have to paste your name server 1 and 2. Okay, so now again just go to your web hosting, and from here just select this name server, right click and copy this. Just go to your name server provider, right click and paste it. So we have pasted one name server. Similarly, just go here, select this second name server, right click and copy it. Make sure you don't leave any space in front and last. Okay, just go here, right click and paste it. Awesome. And then you will see this option, tick mark button of a save. Here you can see, so just click on that option, so the settings will be saved, and then you will basically going to connect your domain name with your web hosting. So idea is somehow that simple. Okay, so it may take few seconds to connect your domain name with the web hosting, but you guys do not have to worry. You can see now DNS servers update may take 48 hours maximum. Okay, so maximum to connect your domain name and web hosting, it may take 48 hours. So do not worry, that's natural and okay. And after you will do this, you just need to click on the continue button. Okay, and then from here you can just choose your server location. So I will going to suggest you guys to select that location which you feel is very much close to your audience. So maybe your majority of customers are, let's say, from, let's say, United States, so you can choose North America. So whatever location is close to your audience. In my case, I am from India and my audience is also from India, so I will select to USA India. Then let's cancel it, by the way. Okay, so I will just click on this finish setup button, and then it will take few seconds. You can see it will take few seconds, so just wait for it to complete 100%. Okay, now you will see, my friends, that after it will be 100% done, you just have to click on this manage site option. Okay, and after you will going to click on this manage site option, this is how the interface will going to look like. Okay, like this you can see. So if you again want to visit to this edge panel, so, or I can say hostinger panel, so you just have to type this, that is edge panel dot hostinger.com. Okay, just type this, everything in small, click on enter button, and again you guys will going to redirect it to the same area of your hostinger panel. Okay, and you can see we have sent a verification email, so you can just open your mailbox. In my case, you can see this is the payment successful. Okay, for the web hosting, and here you will see one option to verify your email address. So I will simply click on this verify email option. Okay, and click on that button, and then you can be able to verify your account. Let's cancel it, and you can see you have verified your account. And make sure you have to type hpanel.hostinger.com to visit your web hosting panel. Okay, and you can see we have successfully set up our web hosting, and now we can easily create a website. Okay, so that's it, and this is how we have told you what is the concept of web hosting and how you can set up web hosting. Okay, we will going to teach you the concept of WordPress. Now what is WordPress? So my friends, WordPress is CMS. That means CMS full form is content management system. So my friends, it's very simple. So using WordPress, in short we say WP, Okay, so WordPress short form is WP. So using WordPress, my friends, you can just build, let's say, website. You can build some apps. Okay, and there are many things which you guys can do with WordPress. So it's just a amazing thing. Okay, you can just customize each and everything without doing any coding, right? So for example, if you just go to our website again, that is KuKu courses. Let me just open this website, KuKu courses. Click on enter button, just go to the home page of our website. Awesome. And from here, my friends, you will see this tab, courses one, right? So just go ahead in this courses tab, and here you will see, or you can just search WordPress. Click on enter button. Okay, let me just search for WordPress. Okay, so here, or if you will not going to see, let me just refresh it again. So because of some problem, I guess. Okay, let me just search for WordPress again. Now awesome. So here you can see, my friends, using WordPress you can just do a lot of things. You can see, you can just set a website, you can build your own ChatGPT with WordPress. Okay, you can build or do web designing with WordPress. You can create job search portal website with WordPress. You can start your money making blogging website with ChatGPT and WordPress. You can start or create a fitness related website like gymming, fitness and yoga type of website with WordPress. You can create pharma e-commerce website, right? So you can see with WordPress you can basically do a lot of things. Okay, and next you can see, like, you can just basically you can create your own affiliate system with WordPress. You can start your agency website with WordPress. You can make Facebook like website with WordPress as well, right? You can create branding and blogging website with WordPress. You can create affiliate website with WordPress. You can create drop shipping website with WordPress, right? So you can see the power of WordPress. Okay, so the list is limitless. There are lots of things, like you can build your e-commerce website with WordPress like Amazon, Flipkart, etc, etc. You can create your online course website with WordPress, right? So my friends, the thing is that you can just do a lot of things with WordPress. Now how you can get WordPress? See, WordPress, you need to install inside web hosting, and you have already purchased the web hosting, right? So we will going to teach you just with one click. Okay, in a single click you can just install WordPress inside your web hosting, and then you can just do plenty of things you want. Okay, so that is the WordPress, right? So in theory it's just a basic thing, but when we will going to show you practical, okay, like for example we have set up the web hosting, so how we will going to install the WordPress inside this web hosting, we will going to teach you that as well. Now before I just want to tell you, you can see we in our website we have lot many courses. Okay, so what you can do if you want to access all these courses, so we provide these courses in the form of membership. You can just click on this sign up button. You can set your username, email, first name, last name, and set password. You can choose a lifetime. In lifetime we always in majority of case we use this discount code. Let me see. Okay, so you can use this discount code to get access to the membership. And using our membership, my friends, after you will take our membership, so you can basically access all the courses. You can see latest technology courses like AI, artificial build and sell APIs, right? Mid journey masterclass, Google Bart masterclass. You can just set up your own email marketing system. So we have lot many courses with Apple, Google courses, paid advertising courses, digital marketing courses, affiliate marketing courses, make money courses, development courses. The list is limitless, right? So just sign up, just set up your account. You can also put the discount code, select I'm not a robot, register and make payment. So this is how it will go, but maybe you face some problem, maybe you are unable to pay because some countries do not allow PayPal. We use PayPal payment gateway, so countries like India, Pakistan doesn't have PayPal. So in that case you can pay us manually as well. Okay, so if you're watching from any country and if you want to purchase our membership, and if you think that you are unable to pay here, so you can just pay us manually. You can just click on this support button. Awesome. And from here you guys will see option unable to make payment. Click on this click here button, and then you will see the option to pay the manually. Okay, so you can see, if especially if you're from India, so you can pay with the method 2. You can just buy yearly plan, or let's say lifetime plan. Yearly plan in Indian currency will be this much. Okay, you can just put and make payment. Okay, and similarly we have lifetime plan. Here also you can use this 50 discount code to get offer half the price. Okay, and similarly with the method 1 as well, it's basically for all countries. So you can also go with the yearly plan, or let's say lifetime plan. So you can see yearly plan will be, let's say, $20 per year, right? And the lifetime plan will be, of course, this much of dollars. You can just use 50 discount and you can make payment. You can see. Okay, so that is what I want to tell you. But in basics you have understood the WordPress, and if you want to know how you can create different types of website with WordPress, you can of course go to our website and the courses. Also we will going to add the link of all the courses below lesson, and in the bonus lesson you will see all the courses links are attached. But that's all about the okay. If you want to set up WordPress inside your web hosting, so my friends, as I have told you, okay, if you are watching, so you all know that we have just configured the domain name and web hosting together, right? And now here you can just go to hpanel. I have taught you how you can just go to hpanel.hostinger.com. just go to websites. Okay, and see the option to manage. So in the same way you have to come here, and inside here you can just manage each and everything. So if you will click here, so this is how the interface of your domain name should look like. That means we have successfully connected our hosting, that is Hostinger, and our domain name from the name gym together successfully, right? So sometimes it may take max to max 24 hours to show you this or such type of interface, right? So it's my recommendation, when you connect your web hosting and domain, so at least wait for 24 hours before you install the WordPress. Okay, then after you do this, so now to install WordPress you just have to go to this option of website, and then you will see this option called as auto installer. Okay, so just click on this option. Awesome. And you can see here in just one click you can install the WordPress. So just select this WordPress option, click on the select button. Awesome. Now you can just set your website name. Let's say I will just name it as a KuKu courses. Awesome. And username I will recommend you guys to only use the same username and same email. And the password you can just set whatever password you want. Okay, so you can use, let's say, KuKu courses password generator. Okay, you can just search for this KuKu courses password generator, and you can just click on this link. Awesome. Let's wait, and you can just click on this link, secure password generator. So it will basically going to generate a strong password for you. Okay, so you just have to write how much the length of the password you want. Let me just say 8 uppercase and all. Okay, if you want to include numbers in your password, so you can. Otherwise, just click on the generate password. It will generate a password for you. You can just save this password. In your case, whatever password you will going to get, you can just save this password. Okay, like this basically. So it's saying you have to include one number and one symbol as well. Okay, so no problem. So what we can do here, okay, we have just, okay, let me just go with the 12 numbers. Okay, just generate the password here. Okay, awesome. Now let me just go ahead. Okay, so everything is okay now. So you can just set your password. Okay, or if you want to keep your password, you want, okay, so you can also do that. Now let's click on the next button. In advance, you basically don't have to do anything. Okay, so here, okay, let's leave right now. You don't need to do anything. Just click on this next button. You can just save your password if you want, right? And after you guys do this, you just have to click on the install button. By the way, from here you don't have to do anything. From here you can select the language of your WordPress, but in our case it will be English. Then just click on the install button, and you will going to notice the WordPress will successfully be able to install inside our web hosting as we have told you, right? So just wait for the few seconds and you guys are good to go. Okay, awesome. So you can see that we have successfully installed the WordPress. And if you will click on this admin panel, just click on this admin panel. So it will take you guys to the WordPress dashboard of yours. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds, and here you can see that we are inside the WordPress. Now using this WordPress, you can just create or do whatever you want to do. Okay, and there are a few things which I want you guys, okay, before you just go ahead and do anything. First of all, just go to plugins, or sorry, settings, and from here just go to general. And from here, always remember that you should tick mark this anyone can register, and select your time zone if you want. In my case, in India, I live in India, so my time zone will be this much. If you don't know anything, you can just leave it, but make sure that it should be tick mark, that is anyone can register. Okay, that is very much important. Then just click on save changes button. And second is the permalinks. Just click on this option of a permalinks, and from here, my friends, you always have to make sure that whatever option, in your case it may be in this option, or in my case this is in this option, but make sure you always select to post name. That is very much important. Okay, and after you will do this, just scroll down and click on the save changes button. So this option, the two options which I have told you, that is just to go to general and make sure just tick mark this anyone can register and save it. And second, the most important setting is the post name. Okay, in permalinks you have to select the post name and then click on save changes. Rest everything is good to go. And now let's clean our WordPress website. So you can just go to plugins, click on install plugins, by the way, and right now you can see only one plugin is here. You can of course tick mark it, and from the bulk action you can just deactivate it. We do not want it. Click on apply, and let's delete it. Again, select this and click on delete option, apply it and delete it. Awesome. Now just go to your dashboard, and now you can see this is the WordPress dashboard of yours. Okay, and if you do not want all this thing, if you want to make your WordPress website clean, neat and clean, just cross it. Just go click on the screen options you can see at top and untick all of them. We do not require all these things. Okay, and now our website or a WordPress website is almost ready. Our WordPress CRM is almost ready. Now you can use this CRM to do whatever you want to do. Okay, so in this way we have set up WordPress inside web hosting. Okay, And one more thing which I just want to tell you now, my friends, it's not always necessary to always just go to your edge panel like this, edgepanel.hostinger.com, and then from here you can access your WordPress website. What you can do in the very simple way, you can just type the domain name you have purchased. So in my case, I've purchased this one, kukucourses.in, right? Now you have to add slash, then you have to write wp dash admin. Okay, so when you will write this, okay, you can see when you will write this, let me just open this in the private window. So if I will open this in the private window, it will take you here. Okay, so here you have to put the email name and the password you have, right? So in my case, my email address is whatever you have set, right? In my case, I have set this email address. Okay, and the password, in my case, I have this password, I guess. But whatever password you have set and email address you have set, remember in the previous step, so you just have to put that, and when you will click on login, it will take you to your WordPress website like this. So if you again want to ever visit your WordPress website dashboard, just type your domain name. Okay, in my case this is my domain name, and then just add slash wp dash admin like this. Awesome, right? And then click on enter button. Okay, it will take you to your WordPress dashboard because we have already logged in, but it will redirect you to put your email address and password, and on that basis you can again log into your website, right? So it's simple and easy to again go to your WordPress website dashboard. Okay, so now guys, let's see how we guys can basically go ahead and install the theme. So if you just go to appearance, click on the themes. So by default there will be some theme installed. You can use whatever theme you want. Just click on add new theme, or you can just go ahead, maybe just search for Ocean WP. Okay, or any theme you want to use, you can utilize each and everything. Okay, so just go to maybe this particular theme. Okay, you can just click on the install button. Okay, so similarly you can just install any theme you want to use, but let's just go with the basic theme. But what I will going to suggest you, if you just go to the themes, so right now there are only one theme is active. So in each website only one theme can be activated. Okay, and rest other themes you have to delete it. So for example, I just click here, select this and just delete this. Okay, similarly just select this, delete it. So you only have to make sure that only one theme is activated on your website. You can also click on enable auto updates for whatever theme you are using. Okay, so it's somehow that simple, nothing complicated. Okay, now I will just going to click on the dashboard button. That's it. Okay, now guys, we will going to install the plugins. Okay, so just click on the install plugins, click on add new plugin. Okay, and from here, okay, you just have to search for one plugin, that is WP code. Just search for this one and select this one, click on the install now button. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, and then just select and search for Elementor. So Elementor is a drag and drop builder that we will going to use. Okay, so basically in nutshell, if you are the person who don't know even about the plugins, and also plugins are like a features you add to your website. Okay, so this Elementor plugin which we are right now installing, basically this one will going to help us to create or design our website without any coding. So just click on the install now button and let's install this particular plugin. So this tool will basically going to help us to build this AI tools on our WordPress website. Now just go to install plugins. That's it. And after you will go here, what you can do is that you can just select this bulk action feature and just click on the activate button, click on apply, and that's it. The two plugins are activated. Again, you can select this and click on enable auto updates, click on apply button. That's it. Now whenever any free updates will going to come to this plugins, it will automatically going to get installed to the latest version. Okay, just click on the dashboard, and if you want to just remove this thing, you can just select this and remove this. Okay, that's it. So this is the thing which you have to do. Okay, that's it. Hey guys, so now we will going to understand the things in a very simple and easy way. Okay, so if I just show you with one very example, so you guys have seen the scooty. Okay, so let's take any scooty. Okay, so maybe scooty or maybe let's say bike. Okay, I'm just taking you with one example. Okay, so let's say this bike. Now here you can see this is the bike. Okay, let's take with the bike example. Okay, nothing complicated. So guys, if we just talk about bike, so how this bike will going to run? Okay, how this bike will going to run? So it's because of the engine. So engine will going to help this bike to run, right? Simple. So basically bike has one engine. So with that the bike, okay, will going to run. Okay, now how we will going to control the engine? How we will going to control the engine? So to control this engine, okay, we have certain things. So you can see in the bike, if I just show you in the front, so this bike has this accelerator, brake, okay, handling. So we can control the bike engine. Like if we want to increase the bike speed, we will just going to increase the accelerator, and bike engine will going to, okay, run more fast, and it will make the bike run faster. So basically, to run this engine, we have this accelerator and handling and all, right? So we have, let's say, accelerator, okay, to maybe control the bike. Okay, simple. So nothing complicated here. But how all these things are related to our AI tool? So guys, similarly like bike, if we just talk about AI tool, so to run or to create any type of a AI tool, maybe it's any tool, whatever you want to generate, let's say YouTube title generator, SEO keyword generator, or it can be any, right? Now the thing is that how you can make any particular AI tool work. So to make any AI tool work, so there are also two components. Like bike has two components. First is engine, second is accelerator. So with these two things, you can just run any bike, perfectly. So similarly, to run any AI tool on, let's say, your WordPress website, we need one engine. Okay, in AI tool, okay, to make AI tool run, we need one engine, and that engine is known as PHP script code, or I can say PHP script only. Okay, so PHP script is like a engine that will make AI tool work, okay, or run. And the second thing, like you all know, to control the engine. Okay, to control the engine, we have the option of accelerator that helps to manage the engine. Okay, now similarly, in AI tool, this accelerator is known as user interface, or I can say code, maybe user interface code. So these two are the things which you require, that is PHP script code and user interface code, to make any AI tool work. Nothing complicated here, right? Now, as I have mentioned, like to make bike run, we need engine and accelerator and brakes and so on. So similarly, to make AI tool run, we need the PHP script code and user interface code. Okay, so now you can see that if I just open, maybe let's say YouTube title generator. Let's say we just open, let's say this YouTube title generator. Okay, so after I will just going to open this tool, that is YouTube title generator. So this, you can see here, it's known as user interface. So basically whatever I will going to write here. Okay, so according to that, the tool will going to perform. Okay, like bike, if we just talk about bike, so to control the bike you need accelerator and brake. So similarly, it's like a control. Okay, so if you want to control your AI tool, you need one user interface where users can interact with your tool, where they can control your tool. For example, if I just, let's say, want to, let's say, write maybe Twitter marketing. That's it. Click on generate titles and just see the magic. This tool will help us to generate the Twitter marketing YouTube titles very easily. Okay, so just have patience. You can see, awesome, it has generated. We can copy it and we can use it, right? Now what we are doing is that we are just controlling this AI tool because of user interface. Whatever you will going to write, whenever you will click on this generate title button, it will going to generate the title. So we are just controlling this AI tool. So how we can also build one AI tool where we can control our AI tool. Users can just use our AI tool. Okay, from which part? So basically you need one user interface code, and if you will just go to the script which I have provided you here, and here you can see the PHP code, and second is the UI code, that is user interface. Okay, UI code, or I can just write here UI, full form is user interface. Okay, UI code. So basically UI code will help us to create the interface, user interface, where they can control the AI tool. Simple. And the second part is the PHP code. This PHP code is like an engine that will make the AI tool work. So you can see here at the back end of the website, we have one PHP code that is generating this type of a title. Okay, based on the user keyword which he has inserted here. So there is one engine at the back end. Okay, okay, and that engine is controlled by this user interface. So that's why when we just talk about AI tool, if you want to create AI tools on WordPress, so you need one engine that is known as PHP script code. Do not worry, I provided you the PHP script code. Okay, and the second is the accelerator. Okay, the UI code, basically from where we will just going to control our AI tool. The users will able to control from the UI code, that is user interface code, and that code has been also provided to you. Here you can see UI code. Awesome, right? Now if you just go to maybe ChatGPT. Okay, so for example, if you just go to, let's say, ChatGPT. Now we want to use, let's say, ChatGPT API key. Okay, so that will basically going to help us, okay, to control it. So for example, if I just teach you with another example, so there are some wires, okay, like in bike, if you will see, one engine will be connected with one wire, okay, and that wire will also be connected to the accelerator. So basically engine and accelerator are basically connected with the help of wires. Now similarly, API is like a way where you can just give the answer. So basically the engine will basically going to help us to generate the response, but this response was generated with the help of OpenAI key. So let's not make you guys confused. So we will basically going to use OpenAI API that will act as a wire, okay, that will act as a wire. Now let's see how you guys can basically get the OpenAI API key. So for that you can just search for OpenAI platform, click on this first option. If you are first time, you will see the sign up option. I will not going to waste time there. Then just go to API key, and here you can see these are all the things that has been created. Now I can just, in your case it will be 0, but you can just create new API key. Let's say for AI course I want to create, you can just name it whatever you want. Now just create this like this, and you can paste this API key anywhere you want, but make sure that you do not show this API key to anyone else. Okay, this API key is like a wire that will going to help our engine, that is PHP script code and UI code, to get connected. Okay, then only the response will be possible. So make sure that you also generate the OpenAI API key and save it somewhere else. Okay, so hope you guys have somehow understood the concept of how we will basically be able to build the AI tool. Okay, now guys, let's see how we can create the engine. Engine means PHP script code for our AI tool. Now I have provided you this code. Here you can see the resources which we have told you, the PHP code. This is a backend, the engine. So remember that you created your API key, so make sure that you copy it, and remember that you just have to replace. Here you can see API key. So you just have to paste your API key here which you have copied. Now how you can do all these things? So for that, first of all, just copy this code, okay? And one thing, if you remember that in your dashboard, if you just go to install plugins, we have this WP code. So this WP code plugin, will going to help us to paste or to run the engine. Okay, so what you have to do now is that you can just go to dashboard. So here you will see this code snippet. So click on add new, click on add custom snippet, and this same procedure you have to do with all the tool. Okay, click on add custom and just write the tool name for which you are creating it. So right now we are just generating business name generator tool. Okay, so let's just go here and just name it business name generator tool. Simple. Now whenever you use this plugin, so very first thing you have to make it active, and the second thing, if you remember that we are putting the PHP code, you can see here we have the PHP code, right? So what you guys can do is that you can just go to the code type and select PHP snippet, and paste the code which you have copied. Okay, so with the code you have copied from here, just paste it here. So I have pasted the code here. You can see the same code, OpenAI generate business name, OpenAI generate business name, simple, easy. And as I have told you that you have to replace this one, paste your API key. So just search here. Here you will see paste your API key. You can see. Okay, so just select this and just copy your code, remove this and paste your API key like this. Make sure that it's here. Okay, put the codes. Okay, and do not put any space here. Okay, so you have to put basically API key inside this code. Okay, that's it. Now just click on the save snippet button. That's it. Now you can see our backend is created. Very simple. Again, uh, when you will going to create your new tool, so if you want to create the backend, so again you will going to click on add new and do the same procedure. You will just click on add snippet, custom snippet, put the name, make it active and select the PHP snippet. Then you can create the backend for another tool. Okay, so similarly the same procedure will go, and right now you can see the business name generator tool backend has been created. And of course you can just remove these two, they are by default. Just move it to trash, we do not require that. So you can see this is the backend we have created for the AI tool name as business name generator. So the engine is created. Okay, so like bike has the engine, so for this tool which we are creating, that is business name AI generator tool, so for this AI tool we have created the engine, the backend, the PHP script. Okay, we have created that. Now we will going to you know create the accelerator, that means UI code, user interface, where people can control our tool. So to do that you can just go to dashboard. From here just go to pages, click on all pages, and same you have to do. Now click on add new page, and what will be the name of this tool? Business name generator UI. Okay, that is user interface. Now just publish it. You can just remove it. Now it's published, you can see. Now you can just click on this edit with Elementor button from the top. Now basically, like to create engine, okay, like to create engine, we were using WP code plugin. So similarly, to create the UI, we will going to use Elementor plugin. And remember, we have already installed the Elementor plugin. Okay, so after you do this, what you have to do is you just have to click on these settings. From page layout, make it to Elementor full width. That's it. Like this. Now just drag or search in here HTML. Okay, and why we are going with HTML? Because here you can see the user interface code is in HTML. You can see HTML. Okay, so that's why we are just searching HTML. Just put it here in the box like this. Now just go here and you just have to paste your UI code. So just copy it and just go here and paste it. So you can see it's created, but there is one thing you have to do always. Now you will see here here you can see it's written paste your website. So here you just have to paste your website URL. Okay, so whatever website URL you have to paste that. So whatever domain you have purchased, so in my case you can see in my case I have this one. So in my case I have this domain name. Okay, so whatever domain name you have, you just have to copy your domain name, write this, copy this. Okay, whatever domain name you have purchased, and just go here and just search for that. Okay, or what you can do is that you can just copy this, paste your website, just copy this, just go at the top of the code, and here you can just press Ctrl and F to search for that code, paste the code, paste your website, and you will see that in yellow color. Maybe here it is, you can see paste your website. So just press Ctrl and F or Command and F on your Mac to open this search box, and then you will see that option here. Okay, so here it's your paste your website, so we just have to replace it with our domain name. So whatever domain name you have, just copy that. Okay, main home page, so just copy that domain name. Or if you are still confused, so just go to your WordPress backend, just click here to visit site, and this is the main domain name. You just have to select this, right click, copy this, just go here and paste your website till this part. Okay, paste your website, do it, see it very carefully, and paste your code. Okay, remove this one, that is this extra line, that's it. So this will be your URL, and then hash, then WP. If by mistake one more hash will be added, so just remove it like this. Awesome. And after you will do this, just publish it, that's it. Now you can just view this tool. Let's see how it works. Maybe I can just write maybe keyword. Let's say I want to create a business name that is related to digital marketing, and let's see the tool works or not. Click on generate business name, and you can see digital dynamo marketing, the business name has been generated. Awesome. So the tool is working absolutely fine without any problem. Now if anyone wants to use maybe for let's say I want to create a web development related name for my business. Click on generate business idea, and you can see web crafters unlimited. You can keep this as a business name. Awesome. Maybe if you have a cake business, so for example I have a cake bakery business, I can select this, click on generate business name. Now you can see Twitch is going to create the business name for us. Awesome. So you can see we have created our first AI tool very easily. So what you have learned, that to create any AI tool, and of course if you want to just go to the backend, just click on exit to WordPress, it will take you here. Click on this WordPress logo again, it will take you to the dashboard. Click on this dashboard. Awesome. So what you have learned, very simple. First we need the backend, and that backend we can create the engine, we can create, that is known as PHP script. We can use WP code plugin. So we have just shown you with WP code plugin. Okay, awesome, nothing complicated. Then second thing which we have told you is about UI code. So remember the UI code which we have told you, UI code. Okay, awesome. So UI code we can do that using Elementor. So with this Elementor plugin we just paste the code and replace the name. Okay, that's it, and we can now control the tool. Okay, so you are just able to control your AI tool. Okay, the user interface. So that's so simple and so easy to create AI tools, my friend. Okay, so always remember that whenever you use the PHP, okay, so make sure that you first replace your API key in the PHP code here. Okay, so whatever your API key, just replace it which you have generated from OpenAI API. And the second thing is the UI code. So you have to make sure that when you paste the UI code, you just replace the website name. Okay, so wait, let me show you. Okay, so you just have to put your website name here perfectly. Okay, if you just do these two things, you are good to go. Awesome, right? So in this way, my friends, we can build any AI tool. So to build AI tool, you require a PHP code, PHP script code, and the second thing is UI code. That's it. Then you will be able to create any AI tool very easily. Okay. Now guys, we will going to teach you how you can build your own PHP script for other tool. For now, we have just taught you with the business name generator, and of course, if you just go to the pages, you will going to see the link. Okay, this is the link for your business name generator UI. So similarly, to create maybe another another AI tool. Okay, so to create another AI tool, you need another PHP script and UI code, right? Now, how you can build all these things? So we can use the Chat GPT. Okay. So if you don't have the account in Chat GPT, so just search for Chat GPT. Okay. .com. Just go to the website. You will see the sign up button. Now, when we are recording the lecture, this is how the interface is looking, but in future it may change. Okay, so it's not like that everything will be changed. It's just about the interface. Like earlier, the sign up and login option was at the bottom, right? So the small changes they will going to do, but whatever value I am teaching you, it will be 100% same. So just sign up, okay, to the Chat GPT. Just go ahead and create one account. If you don't have, just sign up with email address or maybe with Google or Microsoft or Apple. Then it will ask you the phone number. Just give the phone number and verify the phone number. Okay, that's it. Then you will come to the Chat GPT. So ChatGPT will help us to build the PHP code for any AI tool and UI code for any AI tool. Okay. Now let's see, we have created the ChatGPT. Now how we can do that? So here in the ChatGPT, you can just write to ChatGPT, hey, I am building AI tools on WordPress. Okay. So I am using PHP code, okay, and UI code to build AI tools. Okay, so whatever I'm writing this, write with me. Okay, now I am using WP Coder plugin to paste the or to use PHP script also, and also I am using Elementor to use UI code. So below I provided you both PHP code and UI code example for my business name generator tool. So you have to learn the pattern, and in future you have to help me to provide PHP and UI code for new AI tools. Okay, and make sure the code you generate should reference like below PHP and UI code. Okay, so guys, write like this. Okay, and then what you can do is that you can click on shift and enter button to go to next line, shift and enter to go to next line, and here you can just write PHP code. Okay, click on shift and enter, put in codes, click on shift and enter, and then write UI code, click on shift and enter, like this. Okay, you can add colon here as well. Okay, now remember I provided you my PHP code and I also provided you my UI code, right? Now you just have to copy the PHP code and you have to paste it here, and the UI code which you will going to copy from here, you just have to paste it here, right? Very simple, nothing complicated. Now just click here to PHP code, just paste it under this codes like this. Now just uh, after you just do like this, okay, just scroll down and here you can see the UI code as well, and here you just have to paste your UI code, copy this and just paste it here like this, then click on enter button. Now ChatGPT will going to memorize the pattern and you can see it has understood the example of how the PHP code and UI code will be used. Okay, and here you guys can see that it has understood, and here you can see he has also given you the example of how the PHP code works, okay, with the new example. So it has given you the tagline generator example. So you can see tagline generator. So what you can do is that you can just copy this PHP code, okay, just go again to WordPress. I taught you that to create the new backend you just have to go here, click on add snippet, click on add custom snippet, just name it whatever, tagline generator. Okay, so tag line generator, you can write tagline generator, enable it, select to PHP, awesome, paste it. Remember I told you to replace your API key. So what you will going to do, whatever API key you have, copy that, just go here and just select this, remove it and paste your API key. That's it, the backend has been created for this tagline generator. Click on save the snippet. Okay, that's it. Awesome, make sure PHP script and active. Okay, then I taught you just go to all pages. You can remove all this thing by the way. Click on add new page. This is for the UI. Cross it, tagline generator, publish it, click on edit with Elementor. I taught you, same thing I'm doing again and again. Click on settings, make the page layout to Elementor full width. Awesome, just search for HTML, just put the HTML box here. Now just copy the HTML code, sorry, UI code with ChatGPT has provided you. Just copy this and you can see, paste it here like this. And what I have taught you, that you just have to replace your domain name URL. Okay, so wait, let me just see. So paste your website, just copy this, press Ctrl and F. Okay, if you are using Windows, or Command and F you are using Mac, just paste it. Okay, and just scroll down. Oops, wait, click on enter. Okay, what's the problem? Paste your website. I have pasted it. Let's see where it goes. Maybe we can find it here and there, maybe. Okay, and okay, so it has by mistakenly provided my code here, but you can just remove it. Okay, like this, and oops, okay, here you just have to replace with mine. Okay, so sometimes just copy this one. So instead of that it has provided my URL. Okay, so you just have to replace it here like this, double one, just remove that. Okay, that's it, generate it, click on publish. That's it. Now you can just Click on this preview changes. Tagline generator is here. Maybe let's say digital world. Click on generate tagline. That's it. Tagline has been generated. Awesome. Now, in this way, you created another AI tool. You can see super simple, easy. Just go back here to click on the logo, click on exit to WordPress. Click on this WordPress logo. Awesome. You have generated now this tagline generator AI tool. You can access the tool from here, by the way. That's it. And that's it. Super simple, right? I just did the same thing now. If you want to, you can even ask to ChatGPT what other AI tool can you generate from above. What other AI tool can you generate using above pattern? Question mark. Click on enter. It can just give you the example. For example, you can see here marketing slogan generator, email subject line generator, resume bullet point generator. So let's copy this one and let's tell to ChatGPT, hey, for resume bullet point generator tool, generate me PHP and UI code, please, using the same pattern discussed above. Click on enter. Now it will just going to generate you another PHP code for the bullet point generator tool. Awesome, right? Super simple and easy. Nothing complicated. Everything has been taught from scratch, okay, to you. And here we go. You can see it's just creating the code. Now if you just go here to backend, click on code snippet, you can see we have created two backend, one for the business name generator tool and second one is for the tagline generator. Okay, now it has created another PHP code. So for the bullet point generator, same concept, just copy the PHP code for this particular tool, that is bullet point generator. Just go to code snippet, click on add snippet, click on add custom one, just activate PHP snippet, select that for bullet point generator, right? Bullet point generator. Awesome. Paste the code here and remember, just generate the or replace the API key here. So just copy your API key. That's the reason I told you to save it somewhere else and just remove it, paste it. That's it. Click on save snippet. Another backend is created for another tool. Okay, awesome. Now just go to pages, click on all pages. Now we are creating new UI, okay, for this tool, that is bullet point generator. Here you can see UI code. So I will just write here bullet point generator. Awesome. Just publish it. Amazing. And now click on edit with Elementor. Now remember, make it to Elementor full width. Just search for HTML. Just put the HTML code here and UI code is here. Just copy this, paste it here. Awesome. Now you can just scroll down and you just have to replace the URL. Remember, oops, let me just see here. Okay, it can show you something like this, maybe, or maybe this one. Okay, so ChatGPT is doing the mistake. Paste your website, it can show, or maybe my URL. So now again, just copy your website URL, just go here and replace it. Double hash, just remove it like this. Awesome. Resume bullet point generator, just publish it. That's it. Now you can just preview it. Awesome. Now job title, maybe let's say SEO expert, and enter skill on page SEO, off page SEO, and technical SEO and backlink. So you just need to enter the skills. Awesome, like this. Click on generate bullet points, and you can see on the basis of your skills and your job title, it has generated you the resume bullet point generator, which you can use for your resume. Okay, awesome. So you can see, super simple, right? Now if you just go to exit to dashboard, click on WordPress logo, you have created 3 tools with me right now. Awesome. So in this way, you can use ChatGPT to create your backend and UI code, and you can just do the procedure like I have taught you. Okay, so hope you guys have somehow understood how to build AI tools on your WordPress website. Guys, see, right now you have created AI tools and we have taught you each and everything. Now the question arises is how you can make money out of it, because you can see anyone can come to your website and they can use your AI tool, but what benefit you will going to get? So guys, for that we need the membership or point system in our WordPress website. So if you just go to this website I created, okay, just for teaching purpose. Okay, so here you can see if anyone try to access the tools. Okay, so wait, let me show you. There are plenty of tools. Okay, and the worst part is that anyone has to always sign up or log in, then only they can use your AI tool. For example, if someone's try to access, let's say, privacy policy generator tool, so he can just put the website name and he can just put the website URL. Okay, let's say it's kukucourses.com is the website URL. When they will click on generate privacy policy, it will not allow them to get the response. Why? Because user is not logged in. So whenever you want that anyone come to your website to use your tool, they first have to log in, then only it will allow the response. Now let's say if you just go here and suppose I log into the website. Now I'm logging, and when I will going to log in, then you can see that if you just go to pricing maybe, so here customers have to purchase your some points to use your tool. For example, if you maybe, let's say if you open here starter pack. Okay, so the thing is that if I just go to tools and if I just try to generate it again, maybe let's see KuKu courses, let's put the website URL again. Awesome, click on generate privacy policy. Now you will going to see the magic. It will just going to generate the uh, response for you, and the point is 481. Okay, and here you can see it has generated the response for you. Okay, now if you just go to maybe your pricing, okay, so the point will always going to deduct. Okay, so this is the functionality, and this functionality if you want, okay, to add it to your WordPress website, then you can easily make money with your AI tools. It's all about integrating, let's say, membership or point system like this. So whenever anyone will going to use the tools, okay, which you have on your website, if anyone will just go to the home page maybe, and let's say you can see 5 points has been deducted when this tool has been used. Okay, you can see. So if let's say if they will going to use, let's say SEO generator tool, so again it will going to cost them some money. So when the points will be less, okay, so they have to purchase more points to use your tool. So in this way you can make money with your AI tools. But how you can add all this functionality to your WordPress website? So you can do one thing, it's very simple, is that at the bonus lesson I will going to provide you my another course, turn WordPress into a SaaS with ChatGPT and OpenAI API. So this course will teach you, okay, so just after the bonus lesson you will see this course link, okay, or you can just go to my website, that is kukucourses.com website, okay, and from my website you guys can access to this course, okay. So you can just click on these courses, okay, the courses tab, and let's wait for the courses tab to open, and then you can just access to all the tools, okay, all the courses we have in our website. But some are free, some are paid. So this course, turn WordPress into SaaS, it's a paid course. You can just get from maybe my website, or I will going to attach the link for this course, okay, at the bonus lesson at the bottom. So you can just search for, let's say, turn WordPress, something like this, okay, and just search for this course. Right now I have not added this to my website, but when you will come to my website, so at that time the course will be added, okay. And similarly you can go ahead and watch other courses as well, maybe ChatGPT and so on, okay, another amazing courses. Now let's just go here, you can see we have another ChatGPT amazing courses, medium course, affiliate marketing with ChatGPT course, how you can get sales with affiliate marketing with free traffic, SEO optimization, how you can do with ChatGPT. So plenty of course, you can just go to more and more courses from here, and you will just going to see more and more courses we have, okay. And here you can see, and we also have the another courses, you can just search for tools, and you will also going to find another course, okay, like we have here, okay, wait, let's just go to the second page. Let's wait, okay, or let's select to AI as well as a parameter. Okay, and just scroll down, and here you will going to find another courses like build SaaS tools with AI and ChatGPT API. So this is another pattern of how you can create AI tools or SaaS tools in another way, okay, with the membership method. So if you don't want maybe the point system, so we have taught in the membership method as well, you can just access it from here. Or there's another way as well, like build online tools website with ChatGPT for passive income. So here we have taught the another way how you can build AI tools, okay, with ChatGPT. So this method is really different from the method I have taught you right now. Okay, so there are other courses as well, very amazing courses like you can see ChatGPT API, Postman. So these are all the courses, it's all available inside the membership. So you can just click on the membership button, and you can just access to all the courses we have in our website, okay. So these are all the courses we have, and here you can see we have two plans, lifetime and yearly plan. So lifetime will going to cost you this much of amount, you can access each and everything, and of course you can use our AI tools, you will going to get 400 points, okay. So you can just get whatever plan you want, but for lifetime if you want to get 50% off, so you can also watch this video, okay. This video will teach you how to get 50% off in our lifetime plan, right? But we also suggest you to watch this video, it will guide you how to buy. It's like normal you purchase in e-commerce website, okay. So same method, but still we recommend people to watch this video to learn how to purchase the membership from our website, by the way. And along with that, you can also see inside this video we have taught how to get 50% off in the lifetime plan as well. You can also purchase our library, and you can access our AI tools and so on. So this is all I just wanted to tell you about my website. You can explore it, you can just purchase the membership and so on, and you can just give us some support as well. Okay, so this is all I want to tell you, okay, here. Okay.